ChatGPT, your virtual buddy and road to a billionaire brand. You ever wish you had an incredibly smart friend who's always available, never sleeps, and can answer any question you throw at them? No, we're not talking about your nerdy cousin who won the regional spelling bee 3 times in a row. We're talking about ChatGPT. You know, the AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. CEO Sam Altman. Now you're thinking, ChatGPT sounds cool, but how can it make me a billionaire? Well, let's look at some real-life examples. Elon Musk, co-founder of OpenAI, uses AI-driven systems like ChatGPT to streamline operations across his many ventures, whether that's to solve problems, answer queries, or to fine-tune his idea of colonizing Mars. Jeff Bezos, who probably doesn't have time to reply to every customer email, relies on AI-powered bots like ChatGPT to handle customer inquiries, ensuring a smoother Amazon shopping experience. Even Mark Zuckerberg, who famously uses AI to run his home, could leverage the power of ChatGPT for personalized assistance and interaction. So, you see, using AI like ChatGPT isn't just about convenience, it's a strategic move. An assistant that works 24/7 and learns from its interactions? Now that's the stuff billionaire dreams are made of. Action. Are you ready to tap into the power of ChatGPT and build your billionaire brand? Use it to automate processes, improve customer service, or even develop new products or services. Who knows, maybe your first interaction with ChatGPT will spark your next billion-dollar idea. Lesson summary. ChatGPT is an AI developed by OpenAI that's capable of understanding and responding to human language. Co-founded by Elon Musk, ChatGPT has evolved to become a versatile tool used in various fields, from customer service to creative brainstorming. Implementing AI like ChatGPT in your business operations can lead to increased efficiency and potentially groundbreaking ideas. And remember this billionaire quote from Elon Musk himself: "If you're not progressing, you're regressing. So, keep moving forward." Reflection questions. 1. How can ChatGPT improve your current business operations? 2. In what unique ways could you use ChatGPT to enhance your customer's experience? 3. What innovative service could you create with the help of ChatGPT? Interactive activity. ChatGPT Act of Kindness. Let's take a moment to play ChatGPT Question Roulette. Here's how it works. Everyone writes down a question they have about ChatGPT on a piece of paper, puts it in a jar, then takes turns drawing questions and trying to answer them using what they've learned today. Not only will this reinforce your understanding of ChatGPT, but it's also a fun way to help others understand this powerful tool. Remember, I love the journey as much as the destination. I can, I will, I must. Let's go. For digital marketing help, please visit https://www.cochangemarketing.com.